In this lesson, we will discuss concatenate function in NumPy. So first of all, you have to import NumPy as NP. Here I have made a very simple example of list. See, the variable name is list, which is equal to, in a square bracket, there are 4 elements 5, 6, 7, 8 separated by commas. This is list 1 and this is list 2. When I will add list 1 and list 2, see, I'm going to execute it. They are concatenate in row wise. See, first 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 4, 3, 6, 5. So we can add list like this. But if we apply the same plus function into matrices, so see what will happen here. This is my one variable array, and I have made 1D array from here to here with the help of arrange function, and p dot arrange 1 comma 21, because I need 20 elements in my 2D array. That is why I mentioned 21, because 21 is exclusive. Similarly, in my second array, 41 is exclusive, right? So in this is the for 1D array, and in the same syntax I want to convert it into 2D array dot reshape. And one more time I am going to explain here that for 5 times 20, whatever element you have here, the product of reshape should be exactly same. Here we have 20, this is 4 by 5, means there will be 4 rows and 5 columns, but total element should be 20. If you will write down 3 and 5, 3 5 times 15s, here we have 20 elements, it will not run, there will be an error. So here I am going to execute it. Now see, this is my 2D array, array 1, and this is array 2, right? Now if I want to concatenate these the same way as we did in the list 1 plus list 2, if I will say array 1 and then array 2, see what will happen. Execute it, it will add. This is the addition of matrices. 1 plus 21, which is equal to 22. 2 plus 22, which is equal to 24, right? And this is the another way how you can add two matrices. See, the same output is there. This is the addition of two matrices. We are not getting the output as we had in the case of list. So if you want to add, if you want to concatenate like this, then you have to use np dot concatenate function, not the add function, concatenate function, right? So here I have written to concatenate two rows. If you have 3 or 4 or 5 arrays, arrays, if you have 5 arrays, same thing, comma array 3, comma array 4, comma array 5. So by default, column wise, by default, what is the meaning of column wise? So see, np dot concatenate, when I will execute it, you will see this is my first matrix. It was my first matrix. Now it is, this one is my second matrix. They are concatenated column wise. See, this is first and then it is column wise by default. If you say no, I want to concatenate row wise, then what you have to do, only from here to here, the exact syntax you have to write down whatever we did in the last cell. Only access is equal to 1 you have to add. When I will execute it, see from here 1 2 3 4, and then 21 22 23 and so on, and then second row, and from second row now is the row wise. If you want, by default it is column wise, but if you want to use the access, so make it 0, again you will get your output column wise, which is by default. Now the question arises, can we have any other method? We do, sometimes you say I do not want to use access, is there any method? Yes, we have. npv stack means vertical stack, h stack means horizontal stack, everything is same. I'm going to show you here. So output is column wise. By default, you will get column wise. If you will use V stack, you will get the same output. H stack is horizontally. The two matrices or three matrices or four matrices will be concatenated row wise if you will use H stack. Right. So I hope this lesson is clear. Please practice it. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.